Hello, everybody. Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So we did have some new members yesterday actually sign up for the Pantry Club. We had about 4, so this is awesome. And I think 3 out of the 4 actually came from this YouTube channel. So that's so nice, you guys. Thank you so much. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys what being inside the Pantry Club is like. So I do have a Pantry Club online for Canada and for the US also. So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom. This is a must-have because I don't know about you, but every time there's a new month, it's just even more exciting to kind of get into cooking and into new things. We actually started school yesterday, so people are thinking about, okay, so what am I going to cook for lunches? What am I going to cook for dinner when I come home? The kids are going to be hungry. What are we going to make as a side? And then it's like, oh, well, it's almost Thanksgiving. We kind of need to think about that too. And just Epicure makes things so easy and so much more exciting. So the nice thing being inside the Pantry Club means you can order a little bit every other month. So not even every single month, but as long as you do place a $30 order every other month, then you can be inside this whole thing. Meaning I typically post something about Epicure every day, maybe even every other day. It kind of depends on what we're doing. We share ideas, we share pictures, we just ask for, maybe if we have 3 things in the pantry, it's like, what can I make with these? Does anybody have an idea? Well, let me help you. We can all help you. I just posted the deals for this month just as an example. And then I posted the recipe here, which this actually is amazing. I had made this. It is so easy. It's so good. You will want to make more. Let's see here. Like I did a video as well because I had made a pumpkin cake loaf the other day. This is the catalog though in Canada at the moment. But and I did share like all of the images from our fall catalog so that way it's just kind of easier for them to see things, the prices, all of that, right? So I just kind of make things easier for everybody to kind of get excited about Epicure. And if you need help with anything, I am here to help you because we all have to eat. We want to make eating more exciting and we want to be able to come home and not have to go, what's for dinner? And then you have to eat out. But if you have your pantry stocked with Epicure, we can literally help you make the most amazing things from raw to ready in under 20 minutes. You cannot say that with anything. Plus, everything is so much healthier. So we could still use some more members in the Pantry Club Canada. That's hard to say. The Pantry Club Canada and the Pantry Club in the US also. So I will leave the link for you guys at the bottom. Just have a look, send me a message, email, comment, totally up to you, and I will let you know how you can get started. Even if you do just simply want to go inside our page that we have here, you can just click the link asking to be a part of the page, and then I can see that you want to be let in, and then I will just send you a message. Keeps things even easier, right? So thank you guys so much for listening, and I look forward to seeing you guys inside. So I will talk to everybody soon.